As a Pope, I am so happy to be with all of you people of peace today. The 174th Attack Wing of a Hancock, New York, is a kill base, a base where they teach people to assassinate. In Christianity, there should not be military bases. You see the sign behind me, Hancock, the Air Force. We need an Air Force. We need a country who wants to make people at peace, who will be able to help with the dangers of hurricanes and tornadoes and floods and fires. This is what we need. Instead, we train our young people, Christian young people, to kill other people. They say our enemies. This is not the teaching of Jesus Christ. This is not what Jesus Christ said. Jesus Christ said, love your enemies, not kill your enemies. Here at the Hancock, Syracuse, New York, for many years, they pretty much brag about killing people in Afghanistan. Now they come and they teach people from around the world how to kill. There is no just war. No war is ever just. It is contrary to what we as Christians believe. In the Middle Ages, the Dark Ages, people like St. Ambrose and Thomas Aquinas and people like Augustine, they all were not Jesus Christ. They were what they call church doctors. They were people who study Scripture. They made up reasons. They found what really is loopholes in the Bible. There is no loophole for killing. And so I ask you, do not pay attention to the just war. People in churches and pastors around the world, whatever religion, they can speak to their people and say, do not work at places like this. Do not be a drone pilot. Do not be a truck driver taking materials into them. Do not be part of the assassination team of Hancock 174th Attack Wing. At the end of World War II, March 1945, German Catholics, French Catholics came together to ask, why is Christianity a religion that says to love your neighbors, not to kill your neighbors? Why is it that Christianity has killed more people than any other religious group? They formed what is called Peace of Christ. They use a Latin word, Pax Christi. In my language, Paz de Cristo. The peace of Christ is what this is all about. Pax Christi asked the Pope to come today to speak about the militarism that is not, should not be part of our culture. Yet coming in here in cars, in trucks, are clergy, Christian clergy, to go and have a tour to see all the good that they do inside here to make us safe. It is one of those lies that has become a narrative in American and international life. The military does not keep us safe. The military only causes more war. We plead with you to stop killing, stop the drones, stop the killing of children in Gaza, stop the killing in the Ukraine. It can be done, but it needs strong leadership. And we hope that people like President Biden, who claims to be Christian and yet he's up to his neck in mud, the mud of Pakistan, mud of the Ukraine and of Gaza, the destruction, the terrible things that are happening there. He, as a Christian, should speak out and say, let's join with the Russians, let's join with the Chinese, let's do economic trade, let's work together. We don't have to have 800 bases like the United States has around the world. Be good to others, love one another. In Italian, in Spanish, I say to you, love one another. Te amo tutte, Pope Francis.